Hi guys, Determined Gardener here. You are looking at this beautiful, huge basket of a hydrangea. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, take a look at the price tag. That's right, it's $50. $50 for this huge, huge basket of a hydrangea. Now, would you pay that much for a hydrangea? Now, I'm going to tell you why this is a pretty good bargain. Now, just take a look at how full it is. It is beautiful. Now, most people would get this home and just put it in a patio area or in their garden or just leave it in the pot. And that's the thing you do not want to do. You do not want to leave this in the pot. What you want to actually do with this hydrangea, and I'm going to tell you my secret where you can get more hydrangeas for less. And what you want to do is take it out of the pot. Do not leave it in the pot. Why? I will show you why. Take a look. This is not one hydrangea. This is several hydrangeas in this pot. Just take a look at it. That's right. Right here, you can see the open space. Now, this is one hydrangea, and this is two hydrangeas, and this is three hydrangeas, and there's a fourth one. How you tell is just go to the bottom, and you can see that it's where it is actually a hydrangea just like this. It's a small hydrangea. So what they've done is they put about five hydrangeas in this pot and they are having you pay $50. Now, if you want it to be a big show, you can keep it in the pot. But what I would do is I would actually take it out of the pot and plant it in different areas of my garden. That's right, planted in different areas of your garden. That way, you will get more bang for your buck. Instead of just one pot, you have five different hydrangeas in your garden and you can put it in different spots. Now, this is the type of hydrangea that grows on old wood, and you can see how hardy and how strong this wood is. So this is a hydrangea that is not going to take a long time to grow. It's going to grow very fast. So if you put it in different spots in your area, or in your garden, it will grow very fast within a year or two. So you will have huge hydrangeas within a year or two, big hydrangeas, maybe five hydrangeas if you plant them right. And just take a look at how beautiful these blooms are. You can keep them pink or you can change them blue or purple. So if you want to trim this hydrangea, remember, just don't trim it all the way down. Don't go ham on it. Take just take the scissors and just snip right below the leaf. But that is the secret. Don't leave it in the pot. Take it out of the pot and plant it in different areas of your garden. That way you get more bang for your buck. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy this hydrangea. Actually, I have a video showing you how this was a smaller pot and they had two hydrangeas in the small pot, and I divided the hydrangea and I put one hydrangea in one area and I put it in the other, and now it is growing. And most of the time these stores put more than one hydrangea in it because they want you to buy and make it seem to be very full. So again, you can keep it in a pot and pay $50, and it is stunning in the pot. I'll give you a wider view. It is stunning. Look at that. But if I were you and I wanted to save more money, I would take it out of the pot, plant it in different areas of my garden, and it's very easy to separate because they already are separated in this pot. The roots don't intertwine, as you can see right here in the middle. They don't intertwine. You can see the separation and the division in these hydrangea plants. So you can see them, it's very visible, so it won't be hard to divide them. So again, really good nifty trick if you want to save money on hydrangeas because they are expensive. Again, follow my channel for more gardening tips and hacks. And since you're already there, why don't you try looking at my video that I have of how I actually divided a hydrangea. It was really easy, simple, not so hard, really, really simple. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you got any useful knowledge, and the next time you go to a store, check out the plant when it comes to hydrangea. Is there two in there? Most likely you will find that there are two hydrangeas, not one, and you want to get the one with two hydrangeas. Just separate them, put them in different spots, and they will grow, grow, grow. Again, follow my channel for more gardening tips and hacks. I will be having much more videos on hydrangeas and how to take care of these beautiful plants. Until next time, guys, subscribe. Bye bye.